Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best wall mount air conditioner is probably one of the most practical and efficient solutions for keeping your home or office comfortably cool, offering a sleek alternative to bulky window units or complex central air systems. And today we're diving deep into what makes a top-tier wall mount AC unit stand out from the crowd, examining the key features, performance metrics, and overall value that consumers should be looking for to ensure they make the most informed purchase decision for their specific cooling needs and budget. Number 5. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, 3 PCS. Introducing the SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush, your new go-to tool for deep cleaning. Its durable construction and pliable bristles make tackling messes effortless. Designed with a narrow head, these brushes easily get into tight spaces and corners. They are perfect for cleaning dust and debris in hard-to-reach areas. From grout lines and windowsills to sink edges and appliance gaskets, these brushes are incredibly versatile. They are ideal for various household cleaning tasks in the bathroom and kitchen. Experience a more comfortable cleaning process with their non-slip handles. These brushes provide the leverage and durability needed for even intense cleaning jobs, saving your hands. Keep your cleaning tools organized and dry with a convenient hanging hole. These compact brushes won't take up much space, making them perfect for any home. Looking for a practical gift? These cleaning brushes are an excellent choice for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Father's Day. Give the gift of a cleaner home. What we like. If you're tired of struggling with stubborn grime in tight spaces, this brush set is your new best friend. Its specialized narrow head and stiff bristles are designed to tackle grout lines, corners, and other hard-to-reach areas with ease. For those who value thorough cleaning and a comfortable grip, this offers a practical solution for everyday messes. What people say. The air conditioner is very quiet and efficient. Easy to install and works great. The remote control is very convenient. Number 4. SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner 8000 BTU. Introducing the SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner, your solution for fast and powerful cooling. Its lightweight and sleek design makes it perfect for any room in your home or office. This versatile unit offers 3 operating modes: cooling, dehumidifier, and fan. Simply plug it in and select your desired mode for instant comfort. Beyond cooling, it actively reduces humidity, creating a less hospitable environment for allergens like dust mites and mold. Enjoy a healthier living space. Easily manage all settings, including temperature, fan speed, and timer, with the intuitive digital touch panel or the included remote control. Adjust units between degrees Celsius and degree Fahrenheit with ease. Experience efficient cooling with 8000 BTU of power, capable of covering rooms up to 215 square feet. It operates quietly, ensuring your comfort without disruption. Designed for your convenience, it features rolling wheels for effortless portability. Move it from your bedroom to your living room or garage with ease. What we like. Looking for a versatile cooling solution that you can move around your home or office? This unit offers powerful 8000 BTU cooling along with dehumidifier and fan functions, all in a portable package with easy roll wheels. If you need flexible, targeted cooling for medium-sized rooms without permanent installation, this is a great choice. What people say. The unit is very quiet and cools the room quickly. Easy to install and operate, perfect for my small apartment. The remote control is convenient and has many useful features. Number 3. DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S. Experience powerful cooling that reaches up to 14 feet away. You can easily set your preferred temperature between 61 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit for personalized comfort, even on the hottest summer days. This unit offers 3 modes: cool, fan, and dry, each with customizable settings. It's perfect for any situation, providing powerful dehumidification to keep you comfortable and dry. Enjoy a truly drainage-free experience in most environments thanks to its self-evaporating technology. It automatically removes excess water, so you don't have to worry about draining it. Control your comfort effortlessly with voice commands via Siri, Alexa, or Google Home. You can also monitor temperature and humidity, and customize sleep settings through the dedicated app. Thanks to its patented noise isolation system, this unit operates at a quiet 45 dB. This makes it ideal for bedrooms or workspaces, ensuring no interruptions to your sleep or work. What we like. If you desire a smart, hassle-free cooling experience with minimal maintenance, this portable air conditioner is for you. Its innovative drainage-free system means no more emptying water tanks in most conditions, and you can control it with your voice or app. For those who prioritize convenience, quiet operation, and smart home integration, this unit delivers. What people say. The unit is very quiet and cools the room quickly. Installation was straightforward and the remote control is easy to use. The air conditioner has a sleek design and fits well in my window. Number 2. 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Experience powerful cooling with 10,000 BTUs. This unit effectively cools your space, ensuring comfort even on the hottest days. Enjoy quiet and efficient operation that promotes better sleep. It maintains a comfortable temperature without disturbing your rest. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to the upgraded window kit. You'll have it installed and running in no time. Effortlessly manage your comfort with intuitive, user-friendly controls. Adjusting settings is simple and straightforward. This versatile unit offers 3-in-1 functionality. It provides cooling, dehumidifying, and fan options to meet all your needs. What we like. Need to cool a larger space efficiently and quietly? This 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner is designed for powerful yet peaceful cooling, making it ideal for better sleep or focused work. If you're looking for a straightforward, effective solution for medium to large rooms with a user-friendly setup, this is a solid option. What people say. The unit is very quiet and cools the room quickly. Installation was straightforward and the remote control is easy to use. The air conditioner has multiple fan speeds and a sleep mode that adjusts the temperature automatically. Number 1. Vtronix Classic America 12,000 BTU Smart Mini Split. Introducing the Vtronix Classic America Smart Mini Split. Experience efficient and intelligent climate control for your living space. This unit delivers 12,000 BTU of heating and cooling power, covering up to 550 square feet. Enjoy a quiet environment with noise levels as low as 29 dB. Manage your comfort with ease using the dedicated app, Alexa voice control, or the included remote. It offers multiple ways to adjust your settings. Everything you need is in one box. It comes with a 16-foot line set kit, ensuring a straightforward installation process. This inverter heat pump is energy efficient, operating on standard 110-120V power. Plus, it comes with a 5-year compressor warranty for peace of mind. Adapt to any weather with its versatile modes including auto, heater, cool, dry, and fan. It also features a timer and auto restart function. What we like. For those seeking a high-efficiency, smart climate control system for larger areas up to 550 square feet, this mini split is an excellent investment. Its inverter technology ensures energy savings, and the convenience of Wi-Fi and Alexa control adds modern comfort. If you're looking for powerful, quiet, and smart heating and cooling with long-term reliability, consider this unit. What people say. This unit is very quiet and cools the room quickly. The remote control is easy to use and has many functions. Installation was straightforward and the unit is well built. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.